Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the ASUS Zenscreen MB14AC. Let's take a look at what's in the box. We have the documentation, case, USB adapter, a USB-C cable and the portable monitor itself. The design on this is really lovely. The metal casing feels really premium and sturdy, but it's also extremely lightweight at almost half a kilo. It's also really thin at just 9mm. As you can see, it's no thicker than my notebook. This makes it perfect for popping in your bag and taking on the go all day. On the left we have two buttons which take you to a range of settings, and on the right we have the power button. It would be cool if this had joystick navigation as their Zenscreen Touch has, which I've reviewed earlier this month. However, I quickly got used to using the buttons, so this wasn't really an issue at all. I love that this comes with a cover that clips over the top to protect the screen from bumps and scratches when on the go. You can also use it as a stand, which is pretty cool, and I would say necessary really, as you do need a portable stand with a portable monitor. On the back we also have a mounting hole that supports a standard quarter screw thread, so if you wanted to use it with a tripod or table mount, you can do so really easily. This portable monitor has a hybrid signal solution, which means it only needs a single USB cable for both power and video transmission. The USB port allows it to easily be connected to any laptop or even a phone with a USB-C port. But if your device isn't USB-C, you don't need to worry, as this monitor comes with an adapter that can adapt any USB Type A port with the driver installed. This 14-inch display is a really good size for displaying Word documents, presentations and much more, as it's slightly larger than the standard tablet, so it gives you a really decent amount of screen space. This screen is also full HD, so gave pretty sharp visuals on a range of content, from nature shows to new movies. The IPS panel gave minimal colour distortion from a range of viewing angles, which makes it great for collaborative work such as delivering presentations, media streaming or doing group work from one device. The screen also has low blue light technology, whereby you can choose from 4 filters in order to keep your eyes comfortable in a range of light settings. On top of this, it has flicker-free technology, which helps to reduce eye strain even further, which kept me comfortable on a full day's work. This cool monitor has a range of preset modes to enhance visuals for a range of uses, from game mode to reading mode, so I could be sure that I had the perfect settings for whatever I was viewing. Overall, this is a really awesome concept and portable monitor. It's thin and lightweight, comes with awesome accessories such as the adapter and cover, and has a range of modes to keep you comfortable and give you the optimum settings that you need. If you're thinking that your laptop display is no longer enough, or you're like me and have gotten used to working from a dual monitor setup and need the same when on the go, then this really is a fabulous and inexpensive solution. What do you guys think of this? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.